the best 5 jobs for travelers. Many of us have dreamed about a life full of adventures, where the office means a beautiful view like the beach or perhaps mountains. However, it sounds easier than really is. Wait a moment, do not give up so easily. Fortunately, many jobs allow you to combine your passion for exploration with a great career. This blog or video blog will uncover some of the best jobs for travelers, offering feedback and tips to help you turn your travel dreams into a sustainable lifestyle. These options are based on our own experience, but also some research with many travelers that we found in our adventures and job experience. If you're looking for location independence, looking for freedom, and the option to work remotely, here are some job options for you as a traveler. For example, software developer, digital marketing specialist, virtual assistant, and graphic designer. These jobs are in high demand, and the best part is you can do it from everywhere. However, you need to put some effort on it. For example, tips for success: strong online portfolio, talking with other nomads. You can connect with them and they can recommend you some options. But it's key. The self discipline is the key. It is very important too to invest in a good laptop and also to have a decent internet connection. Here, there is another option: travel blogging and content creation. Transform your travel experience into a captivating content and monetize your adventures. This can take the form of blogging or creating content for social media. It sounds super easy. However, this one requires patience and to be consistent. You can be a travel blogger, travel photographer, social media influencer. It is possible. Here are some tips. Create a unique niche. Think about your hobbies or your skills and start from there. Create engaging content. Storytelling will be your best friend. And monetize through advertising, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. Other option: teaching your language or any other language that you know. One of the languages in high demand is English. Teaching English online is one of the best ways to work from everywhere. However, there are millions of people who want to learn how to speak your native language. In my case, I teach English, but I teach Spanish because this is my mother tongue. So I can teach both, either online or in person. During your trips, you can find people who want to practice either English or Spanish. That is in my case. So I combine classes both online and also in person. Here are some tips. Obtain a TESOL in talking about English, that is a certification to teach that language. But no worries, there are platforms that you can teach without that certification. But it's a must to prepare engaging lesson plans. You have to be adaptable and patient, and also be aware of some schools you can apply to in person if you are thinking to stay for a long period. Finally, remote freelancing. Numerous of online platforms connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Like what? Like writers, bloggers, editors, translator, interpreters, web designers, and even customer service representative. Some tips are a strong and online portfolio and online presence. Think about competitive rate, but it's super important to be a good worker, delivering high quality work on time. Okay, anyways, the world is full of opportunities for those who want to combine work and travel. Whether you are a digital nomad or a travel blogger, a teacher, or freelancer, I'm sure that there is a job for you that will help you to achieve your travel goals and dreams. I'm not to tell you that it's an easy path, but I can tell you that this is worth it. Also, with careful planning, dedication, and a spirit of adventure, you can create a sustainable lifestyle on the road. See you in the next podcast. Thank you for being part of the Job of Travelers. Bye bye.